How to change Apple ID country region to Japan. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can change your Apple ID country region to Japan. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first step that you'll need to take here is tap on your settings. After you're on your settings, tap on your Apple account on the top. After you're on your Apple account settings, simply scroll down until you find media and purchases. Tap on it and there you should find view account option. Tap on it, and after you tap on view account, what you'll then need to do is just wait for the page to load and you will be on your account settings. Right there you'll find country/region. Tap on it and then you'll get redirected to your app store where you will be able to change your country region to Japan. So right there you will see change country or region option. Tap on it and simply search for Japan. Now all of these are arranged in alphabetical order so you can easily find Japan. Tap on Japan, and after you select Japan you will need to agree to the terms and conditions. Tap on agree on the top right, and after you tap on agree you will then need to add in your information, that is your payment method. So simply add your payment method, and after you do that you will be able to add your you will be able to change your countries in your Apple ID. And yeah, that's basically how you do it, guys. That is all for today's video. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.